In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept a Shopify Collaborator request. To begin, log into your Shopify store. Once you're inside the admin panel, go to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen and click on Settings. After opening the Settings page, look to the left-hand side and click on Users. Now you'll see the pending request on your screen. Click on it. On this screen, you'll be able to see the email of the person who sent the request. To review what parts of your store they want access to, click on these three dots here and then click on Edit Permissions. You'll now see all the permissions that the collaborator is asking for. If you want to change these permissions, you can easily do that by selecting or deselecting different options. Once you've reviewed and made any necessary changes, click Done to confirm the updated permissions. Now, look to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You will see two options, one to reject the request and the other to accept it. To proceed, simply click on Accept Request. That person will now officially become a collaborator on your Shopify store, and this is how you can accept a collaborator request in Shopify.